Hi my friends, today is VEDA 8. It's 5:37 p.m. I think it's Saturday. And I'm awake. Welcome to VEDA. Hi friends, good morning. As you can tell by my appearance, I'm all swollen. That's because I slept almost all day. But according to my Fitbit, I got 7.5 hours sleep, I think. I don't remember, but it'll be telling you here. And there's only one reason that happened. I think, well, on top of making my delicious soul food, those oxtails, I had that one little bowl with some rice and that gravy. I think that helped me knock out. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna eat one right now if there's any left, because there was only 3 oxtails. So I want to let you know that while I was waiting for the oxtails to cook, I have one pho, and I'm so proud of myself. It's a small but mighty pho. Now, the ones that have stayed with me when we travel, like MULE, Seta, Luna, Yolanda Soda Lopez, what's up, yo? All these beautiful ladies who have stayed with me or seen me fall asleep, they all know how I sleep, like a burrito. I'm all wrapped up, and I just leave a little piece for my nose. I have my mouth covered, my eyes, my ears, and I pass out. And that is the way I fall asleep. But lately in Los Angeles, it's been 95, 98. One of the days was 100, and it's hot. I mean, it's hella hot. Yeah, you can have your air and you can have a fan, but it's hot, like your body stays hot. In the wintertime, I make a beanie to cover my ears and my eyes. You know how I pull it down and I'm like, what's happening? Well, right now, during the hot ass months, I kept thinking every night, I'm like, what can I do? What can I do? So I was looking up the sleep savers, or what do you call those things that you put over your eyes to make yourself go to sleep, to remove the darkness. My room's already dark. So I was like, no, you know, those just cover your eyes, but I need something to cover your ears, because that's the trick to help me go to sleep. If my eyes are covered and my ears are covered, I will sleep through anything. So let me show you what I came up with. This is a pattern by the one and only, the most terrific lady, Rel from the Dabbling Hook. She has a whole slew of patterns, knit and crochet. I will put her link down below. She has an Etsy shop, she has Ravelry, she has everything. And she has a YouTube channel. I'm going to put her YouTube channel down below. Please go look over, check it out, subscribe, and give her a comment and tell her, hey, Z sent me. Where is that thing she was talking about? So let me show you. She had me test knit, I believe it was earlier this year. And I fell in love with the test knit, if you guys remember. I'll put the video at the end of this one. I loved it so much. I think I made 7. I was just so happy. I was so happy with that pattern. And I was revisiting it, and I thought, I think that's what I need. I think that's what I need to make. So immediately I was like, before I make this, it cannot be acrylic. It cannot be wool. It has to be cotton. I have cotton from all over the place. I finally found one that was talking to me, and this is an I Love This Cotton. I don't remember the name of it, but I know it. I'm almost certain it's I Love This Cotton. And I made the Shawl headband by Rel. Don't forget, I'm gonna put all those links down below. Her YouTube, her Ravelry, her Etsy. The Shawl headband takes maybe 30 minutes, 20 minutes. With good working hands. It took me about 45, but that's okay. because we did it. It took like 9 hours to make the oxtail. So I introduced to you my Cherelle headband. Oh, isn't that beautiful? It's made out of cotton. There is no San Andreas fault. For those of you that are new and are trying to figure out what the hell am I talking about, San Andreas fault is when you sew something in one piece and then you put it together and it's got like a big ass crack in the earth, like. So this is a continuous pattern. There's no crack, there's no seam. You don't seam anything together. In order to do this stitch, I will put the link down below and you purchase a pattern. It's very easy, very, very easy. I test knit it, I fell in love. You can cinch it, I think 3 ways. I chose this way, which is also in the pattern. So let me show you. Yes, it's a headband. It's a headband, you know, you can wear it. I'm not much of a headband person, but I guess that's how you wear it. That wasn't the purpose that I made it for. I made it to serve a different purpose. Can you guys see me? Okay, see how it covers my eyes and my ears? It's completely dark. It's light. It's cotton. And I'm knocked out. I'm knocked out. I don't see or hear. As long as my ears stay covered, it's perfect. And I'll sleep all day, all night. As you saw, like I said, it's 5:47 now. And it's almost 6 p.m. and I slept all night and I slept pretty much all day and I feel fantastic. So this is my faux. Thank you so much, Rel from the Dabbling Hook, for this amazing pattern. I like it a lot. I'm gonna go eat some oxtail and I'm gonna try and wake up some, because even wearing this is making me sleepy. I don't know what it is, but as long as anybody else like that, if you cover your ears and your eyes, you are done. You're done and you're going to bed. And say goodnight, Gracie. So there you go. There's my VEDA 8. Thank you guys for enjoying my videos, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay? Bye. Thank you, Rel. Thank you, everybody. Love you. Bye.